So what is up, guys? I didn't video much because I don't really have anything else to say today. I started back up this bad habit and got me a truck. I'm just waiting to get the name switched over to my name and stuff like that. Not a very bad truck. It's a 1990 Ford Ranger. Boy, I tell you, the insurance, I looked it up for good driver. 60-something bucks, but who wants to pay that still? I gotta clean some of this stuff up a little bit, but I'm just gonna wait till the owner, because I'm not technically the owner yet of the vehicle, so I just gotta wait till he cleans up the vehicle. I'm helping him, of course, clean it up a little bit. So trying to find things. I'm gonna get it tuned up a little bit. Put new spark plugs. New practically everything. Little by little, like the Johnny Cash song. He got down to 40 something degrees last night. Pretty cold. Yeah, out in the desert it does get cold at night. Daytime, about 80s, 90s. Hey, if it kills the bugs, it kills the bugs, you know? But you know what I really find funny? Is that I wear... See, I'm wearing shorts out in the desert. During the evening time, it gets a little windy. And a lot of people's like, it's cold. That's not cold. Right now it's a little nippy, but it's not cold. Show you a little bit. And show you my baby. You gonna say good morning? It's a little bit good morning time here. Not quite 8 yet, but it's 8 to me. Mama. Yeah? Wagging your tail? So, I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I gotta order some parts for the vehicle. Should be in, and see how I can do on a little bit of maintenance without paying for it. Well, you gotta pay for maintenance, but do it yourself could be a lot cheaper, which I'm gonna try to do. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a guy that wants to learn how to fix stuff so he doesn't have to take it to a mechanic. That's one thing about city slickers. Well, some, not all, don't know how to do. Pretty soon I gotta get back tires for this truck. Yeah, 2 of them. Front tires are pretty good. They got switched out. I just gotta get the back. But anyway, I'm gonna wake up here a little bit. We'll see you here shortly. Dust you guys off a little bit. See me a little bit better? So I'm gonna show you a little bit of the truck here. This is the Ford Ranger that they gave me, or giving me. It's not pretty bad. It's not. It's a pretty good one. Can't complain. tad bit dirty. It's not bad. Can't complain. Well, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Get started on tomorrow's vlog. Peace, love, stay true, be happy.